Hello, in today's video we will discuss why your Nintendo Switch is blinking a green light and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your Nintendo Switch may be blinking a green light because the latest system update hasn't been installed. To address this, undock your Nintendo Switch console and navigate to the home menu. Click on System Settings, select the system icon, and then tap on System Update. The system update process will begin checking for any available updates. If updates are available, they will be automatically downloaded and installed. After the update, press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds, then select the power section and restart the system. Another reason for the blinking green light could be an outdated dock firmware, especially if you have a Nintendo Switch dock with a LAN port. To update the dock's firmware, go to System Settings from the home menu, select System, and click on Update Dock. Choose Begin Update to start the firmware update process. A faulty connection can also cause the Nintendo Switch to blink green. To fix this, disconnect the HDMI cable from the dock, then unplug the dock and power cable from the wall outlet. Let the system sit for a moment, then check if the power cable is damaged and replace it if necessary. Plug the switch directly into the wall to see if this resolves the blinking issue. If the problem persists, the dock itself might be faulty. In this case, consider sending it to Nintendo for repair. Thank you for watching. Until next time.